Okay, today we're going to be talking about blends and specifically initial blends. We first have to define what is a blend. So a blend is when each sound of a blend is heard, but the sounds are blended together. So you're going to have two letters, but they both make their own sound. So let's go over some of the blends that we might see. So we're going to talk about the blends we see at the beginning of words, that initial. So we have the L blend. So you might see SL, and that says slool, or PL, pool, BL, bool, FL, fool, GL, ghoul, CL, cool. So that's a common blend pattern you see, the L blends. We might also see the R blends. Remember, it's two letters, BR, and they both get a tap. B, R, R, CR, R, FR, R, FR, PR, pr, DR, dr, TR, tr, GR, gr. And then another category of blends we like to talk about is the S blends. So you will find SP says P, SK says SK, SC also says SK, SM says SM, ST says ST, SN says SN. And remember, blends, they're two letters, but they both get a tap, SK. And we kind of put them together, SK, SK. So when we read words, I'm going to flip it over to our other side. When you read this word, B-L-O-T, I see a blend. B-L, bool. So when we tap it, B-L-O-T, blot. They both get a tap because we hear both sounds, but when we are putting the word together, we kind of blend it together, make it sound good. Bool, blot. So those are the initial blends that you'll see at the beginning of some words. They're very common, and we'll learn more and practice more with them.